What if your circuit could feel your body temperature and automatically turn on a buzzer and light? In this video, I will show you a super simple DIY temperature sensor circuit using only a few components. Hello friends, welcome back to ABTabi Electronics. If you like DIY electronics projects, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more amazing circuits. For this project, I am using very simple components: a Z44N MOSFET, a 10K variable resistor, a buzzer, an LED light, a 10K thermistor resistor taken from a dead laptop battery, and a 12-volt battery or power supply. Circuit connection step by step. First, take the Z44N MOSFET and understand its pin connections. The left pin is gate, the middle pin is drain, and the right pin is source. Now take the 10K variable resistor and connect it between the MOSFET gate pin and source pin. After this, take the buzzer, connect the negative pin of the buzzer to the MOSFET drain pin, and connect the positive pin directly to the battery positive. In my case, I am also using an LED with the buzzer. You can use both, or you can connect a relay or any other device. Next, connect the 10K thermistor resistor between the MOSFET gate pin and the battery positive. Finally, connect the battery negative terminal to the MOSFET source pin. Circuit working explanation. This circuit works as a body temperature sensor. The thermistor changes its resistance when temperature changes. When I touch the thermistor with my finger, my body heat changes the resistance, which triggers the MOSFET. When the MOSFET turns on, the buzzer and LED light up. And when I remove my hand, the buzzer and LED turn off automatically. You can adjust the sensitivity of the temperature sensor using the variable resistor. As you can see, when I touch the sensor, the buzzer and light turn on, and when I remove my hand, they turn off. This circuit is working perfectly with body temperature. You can use this circuit for body temperature alarm, touchless switches, thermal safety alarms, smart home automation, and many DIY electronics projects. If you like this project, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple electronic circuits. Comment below if you want the circuit diagram or PCB design. Thanks for watching.